Hello friends, Namaskar. Today we'll discuss a new platform, a new series of science in which we'll discuss only the science in English form. Means you can say this series is specially based on the English students or the students which are capable enough to understand English. In these classes, we'll discuss everything, every question in English. And as I told you, science, environment, these are the portions in which English is necessary. Okay? So I think we should start now. So these are the questions which have asked in various examinations in which UPPCS, MPPCS, BPSC, Rajasthan PCS, and you can say Haryana PCS. And all these questions are, as I told you, asked, and we will provide a short view, a descriptive view that will help you to understand everything in a proper way. So I think we should start now. And these questions have been taken from Ghatna Chakra. Then you can understand why these are very necessary. Because when you are going to start any examination, when you are going to start preparing any examination, there's need of PYQ. There's need of PYQ. So I think we are the first who are providing everything in English. Everything in English means every question will be described in English, and I think I hope you will like it. If you like it, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I think we should start now. So our first question is, who is regarded as the father of modern chemistry? Our first question is, who is regarded as the father of modern chemistry? If anyone is live, yeah, 4 to 5 people are live, so it's my humble request, then please try to attend these questions. Yeah, this is necessary. Please try to attend these questions. Yeah, everyone, be attentive, and please try to attend these questions. Yeah, these classes will run properly, and I hope all of you will like it. So our first question is, who is regarded as the father of modern chemistry? So our options are Rutherford, option B Einstein, option C Lavoisier, option D Dr. C.V. Raman Saab, and after option E none of the above or more than one of the above. This question was asked in 65th BPSC, or you can say uh, BPSC 19th 2019. Okay, everyone, please start these questions. Yeah, it's okay. Everyone, please try to start these questions. So, well, our options are Rutherford, Einstein, Lavoisier, C.V. Raman, and all of the above. So, when we have discussed about the chemistry, so father of chemistry, because there is a scientist, Lavoisier, Antony von Lavoisier. Antony von Lavoisier is known as the father of modern chemistry. We're talking about the modern chemistry. So Antony von Lavoisier is known as the father of modern chemistry. And now we'll say, sir, why he is known as the father of chemistry? Because he has done a lots of work in the field of chemistry. He has done a lots of work in the field of chemistry. You have recognized the name of hydrogen and oxygen. So the name of hydrogen and oxygen was also given by the Antony von Lavoisier Saab. That is why he is known as the father of modern chemistry. Okay, so I think that's enough for today, because these are simple types of questions. So I think we have to move on the next question. Our next question is, the positively charged particle. This is the part, not part. This is the, yeah, the positively charged part of the center of an atom is called. The positively charged particle of the center of an atom is called. If anyone is live, yeah, 4 to 5 people are live. Please try to attend these questions. Please. So our options are proton, neutron, electron, nucleus, and none of the above. It was also asked in BPSC 63rd. This question was asked in BPSC 63rd, and this is also very good question for the UPPCS and various examinations. So our question is, the positively charged part of the center of an atom is called. Options are proton, neutron, electron, nucleus, and none of the above. So if you have discussed, if you have studied the atom, so this is the simple structure of an atom. This is the simple of structure of an atom. So when we study atom, so there are two main particles, two main parts are there. This is the simple structure of an atom, and inside the atom, various particles are there, but two main subatomic particles are, that is the neutron, and proton. That is neutron and proton. These are the particles which are found inside the nucleus. Outside the nucleus, electron is found. Outside the nucleus, electron is found, and inside the nucleus, this is the nucleus. This is our nucleus, and inside the nucleus, inside the nucleus, proton and neutron are found. Whereas, please be attentive. Whereas proton is positively charged particle, and neutron is neutrally charged particle. Whereas proton is positively charged particle and neutron is neutrally charged particle. And outside the nucleus, electrons are found, and these electrons are negatively charged particle. So come to our question. The positively charged part at the center of the atom, means the positively charged particle which are found at the center of atom, so that is the nucleus. Because when you add positive to 0, if you have to add positive in 0, so answer will be positive. So we can say that the nucleus is positively charged part, not particle. Nucleus is positively charged part, so our answer is nucleus. If it was asked that electron is negatively charged particle or positively charged particle, in that condition you can say, sir, the electron is negatively charged particle, proton is positively charged particle, neutron is neutrally charged particle, means it has no charge. So when asked that what is the main charge on the nucleus, in that condition you can say, because sir, inside the nucleus, proton and neutron are found. Inside the nucleus, proton and neutron are found, and proton is positively charged particle and neutron is neutrally charged particle. So the actual charge on the nucleus is positive. So our answer is option D, nucleus. So I think we should move to the next question. Our next question is, constituent of atomic nucleus are. Constituents of atomic nucleus are. So I am waiting for your answers. Please be attentive and try to answer these questions. And please try to attend these questions. So our question is, constituent of atomic nucleus are. Options are electron and proton. Option B, electron and neutron. Option C, proton and neutron. And option D, proton, neutron, and electron. This question was asked various times in examination, in UPPCS and BPSC 2 times. So this is also very important question. The constituent of atomic nucleus are, means what are the main constituent in atomic nucleus, not of the atom. We are talking about the atomic nucleus. Every time when you are going to attend any question, then please be attentive, be positively from your mind, and try to recall every answer, every question. So constituent of atomic nucleus means the question is only asking about the constituent of atomic nucleus, not about the whole atom, only talking about the atomic nucleus. So as I told you in our previous question, so it was the answer. So what are the main constituents of atomic nucleus? That is the neutron and proton. Means inside the nucleus, neutron and proton are found, and electron are found outside the nucleus. So our answer is that proton and neutron are the main constituent particles of a nucleus. So our answer is, options are electron and proton. We have to cancel it because electrons are found outside the nucleus. So this option is wrong. Option B is electron and neutron, because electron is also found outside the nucleus. So this option is also wrong. Option C, proton and neutron. Yeah, this is the exact answer because proton and neutron both are found inside the nucleus. So that this option is correct. Option D is proton, neutron and electron. As I have told you that electrons are found outside the nucleus. Electrons are found outside the nucleus. So this option is also wrong. So option C, proton and neutron is our right answer. So I think we should move to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following statements about molecular structure is correct? Read every question carefully. Which of the following statement about molecular structure is correct? Options are neutron and electron are found inside the nucleus and proton revolve around the nucleus. I don't know about it. Option B, electron and proton are inside the nucleus and neutron revolve around the nucleus. I don't know about it. Option C, proton and neutron are inside the nucleus. Proton and neutron are inside the nucleus and electron revolve around the nucleus. I don't know. Next is the proton, neutron and electron all are inside the nucleus. This option is wrong because in our previous question we have discussed that in an atom electron, proton and neutron all these are found, but inside the nucleus only proton and neutron are found. Inside the nucleus only proton and neutron are found, and in this option this is saying that inside the nucleus proton, neutron and electron all these are found. So this option is wrong. So let's move on the first option. Neutron and electron are found inside the nucleus. This option is also wrong because electron is not found inside the nucleus. As we have discussed earlier, electron is not found in the nucleus. This option is wrong. Option B, electron and proton are inside the nucleus. This is also wrong because electron is found outside the nucleus. Electron is found outside the nucleus. So this is also wrong. Option C, proton and neutron are inside the nucleus. Yeah, this is correct. Proton and neutron are inside the nucleus and electron revolve around the nucleus. This is totally correct. That's a common the answer. As we have discussed in that picture, that it's a structure of a new atom. Inside the nucleus neutron and proton are found, and outside the nucleus electrons revolve around the nucleus. So our that answer is correct, that inside the nucleus proton and neutron are found, and outside the nucleus electron are found which revolve around the nucleus. Okay, so our next question is, yeah, our next question is, which of the following is not a part of atom? Which of the following is not a part of atom? Our options are electron, proton, neutron and photon. Our options are electron, proton, neutron and photon. The question was, which of the following is not a part of an atom? Which of the following is not a part of an atom? Options are electron, proton, neutron, photon. So I think all of you have been aware about this question, that what will be the correct answer of this question. So the correct option will be, as I told you, so 5 to 6 people are there, then please like, share and subscribe our videos. This is very necessary. If you will like, share and subscribe to our channel, so we will try to do our best on this channel. So as we told you, which of the following is not a part of an atom? Which of the following is not a part of an atom? In the previous question, as I told you, inside the atom, this it's an structure of an atom. Inside the atom there is a nucleus. There is a nucleus. Inside the nucleus proton and neutron are found, and outside the nucleus electron are found. Outside the nucleus electron are found. Then you can say, sir, electron, proton and neutron are, three of them are main constituent particles of an atom, means they collectively makes an atom. So which of the following is not a part of an atom? So electron should be there, proton should be there, neutron should be there, but photon is not found inside an atom. Photon is not found in an atom. So our option is option D. It is not found in an atom. Then you will ask, then sir, what is photon? So photon is a bundle. It's an energy bundle. It's an energy bundle. Photon is an energy bundle. When someone asks you what do you mean by photon, then you can say, sir, these are the packet of energy bundles or light particles. These are the bundles of light particles, or you can say energy bundles of light particles. So this is all about the photon. So we should move to the next question. Our next question is, a single type of atom is found in. A single type of atom is found in. Option A, compound of minerals. Option B, mixture of minerals. Option C, native elements. And option D, none of the above. Again, the question is, a single type of atom is found in. A single type of atom is found in. Options are compound of minerals. Option B, mixture of minerals. Option C, native elements. And option D, none of the above. Anyone who is live, then please try to attend these questions. Well, so I think answer is also hidden in these options. So a single type of atom, if you have asked these things about the minerals, minerals are made up of group of atoms. Minerals are made up of, you can say, a mixture of, or you can say a group of elements. When suppose you have asked about the various minerals are there, they are not purely, they are not pure, then you can say, sir, they are made up of various type of atoms. But the native elements are those elements which are found in the purest form, which are found in the purest form. So as the question indicating, the single type of atom, the single type of atom found, when the single type of atom is found, it is not found in the mix in the minerals. So these are wrong. This is also wrong. So native elements. When someone asks you what is element, what is element, in that condition you can say, sir, atom are the substances which are made up of same type of atoms, made up of same type of atoms. Again, I'm repeating, elements are the substances which are made up of same type of atoms. Elements are the substances which are made up of same type of atoms. So this will be the right answer, native elements. Examples are there like hydrogen, oxygen, calcium, organ, zinc, etc. These are the example of elements. You have here, I think you have been aware about the number of elements. Till today, about 118 elements have been discovered. So all of them are elements and they are the native elements. So our next question is, the atomic nucleus was discovered by. The atomic nucleus was discovered by means who have discovered the atomic nucleus. Options are Rutherford, option B Dalton, option C Einstein, and option D Thomson. Means you have to answer these questions, who have discovered the nucleus. I think some of you have been aware about these questions. So Rutherford, Rutherford, his full name is Ernest Rutherford. His full name is Ernest Rutherford. He has discovered nucleus. He has discovered nucleus. So our answer is Ernest Rutherford. So now you can say, sir, how he has discovered nucleus? So in his experiment, he has taken tin foil. He has taken thin gold foil, and after the bombardment, is an example of three thin gold foil, and he has bombarded alpha particle. He has bombarded alpha particle. He has bombarded alpha particle. So in an experiment, he found that in his experiment he found that some rays, or you can say some particles or some rays, uh, intersect an area, and that doesn't deviate from its path. So he assumes that that part is vacant, and in the middle of some part, in the middle of some areas, the rays are deviating. the rays are deviating. So he told that because alpha particle is also positively charged particle, alpha charge is also positively charged particle, and these particles are going to deviate it from the same path. So he assumes that there is some areas inside the nucleus which is positively charged particle. That is why, because the same charges repel each other, same charges repel each other, and opposite charges attract each other. So he told that there is some positively charged particle inside the nucleus, and after that he named that particle as he named that area as nucleus. So atomic nucleus was discovered by Ernest Rutherford. Our next question is, in atom neutron was discovered by, in atom neutron was discovered by. Our options are J.J. Thomson, option B James Chadwick, option C Ernest Rutherford, and option D Newton Jalkand. I don't know about the, that should be Newton. So we have to answer that question, that what is the correct answer. So our correct answer is James Chadwick. James Chadwick means after the discovery of electron, proton, and nucleus, James Chadwick in 1932, James Chadwick in 1932 discovered neutron as a third particle of an atom, as the third particle of an atom. So the answer is James Chadwick, who has discovered the neutron. So I think we should move to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following is not a subatomic particle? Which of the following is not a concentrate on the question. Which of the following is not a subatomic particle? Options are neutron, proton, neutron, electron. I think you now you can, because you are taking these classes since half an hour, since half 30 minutes, so you can understand these questions. So what is the which of the following is not a subatomic particle? Neutron, proton, deuteron, and electron. So neutron should be there, proton should be there, electron should be there, but deuteron is not a subatomic particle. Deuteron is not a subatomic particle. This deuteron is an isotope of hydrogen. Deuteron is an isotope of hydrogen. How you can say? Because first thing is, what is isotope? What is isotope? Then you can say, sir, isotopes are the atoms. These are atoms. These are atoms of same atomic number. Same atomic number. These are atoms of same atomic number but different atomic masses. Different atomic masses. These are the isotopes are the atoms of same atomic number but different atomic masses. And hydrogen has three isotopes. That is, the hydrogen has three isotopes, and these three isotopes are 1h1, 1s2, and 1s3. The name of this is protium. Protium, that is the deuterium, and that is the tritium. So now you can understand that why this option is correct, because deuterium is not a subatomic particle. Deuterium is not a subatomic particle. It is an isotope of hydrogen. It's an isotope of hydrogen. So I think this question is clear to you. I think we should move to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following pair constituent particle antiparticle pair? Means which of the following have a antiparticle pair? Means particle and antiparticle should be there. Which of the following pair is correct? Our option is electron positron, option B proton neutron, option C photon electron, and option D neutron neutrino. Means which of the following pair constituent particle antiparticle? Means particle and antiparticle both should be there. Which of the following pair is correct? Please be attentive and try to answer these questions. Please, very fast. So uh, when we talk about the particle and antiparticle, so electron has a antiparticle, and that is the positron. That is the positron. So our option A is correct, and after that all the questions are incorrect. Well, so we should move on the next question. Next question is match list first and second and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. Means we have to correct these options. Means we have to attach these things. Okay, well, this question was asked in IES, so it could be asked. Well, so one is the this is option 4. There is a typing mistake. Now you can understand it's a typing mistake. So 0 mass. So as I told you, in this type of question, if you can tackle a single, if you can tackle a single option, in that condition you can understand that this question is easy or not easy. Well, as we have discussed earlier, that that neutron that neutron is a as we were discussing before some time about the neutron and proton. Where is the answer? Okay, well, yeah, in this question, as I told you, that neutron is neutrally charged particle, proton is positively charged particle, and electron is negatively charged particle, as I told you. So in that option it was asked, in that option it was asked, where's the question? Yeah, in that question it was asked, means 0 mass. So for a kind of, as I'm saying, 0 mass, then fractional charge, then fractional spin, then integral spin. Sorry, this question have some problem. Well, 0 mass, neutron has 0 mass. Neutrino, this is not neutron, this is neutrino. Neutrino is antiparticle, it has the 0 mass. Fractional charge, fractional charge, is there, fractional charge is quark, and integral is there is some I think there is some misprint in this question. After some time I will let you know there is changes in that question. Well, because options are not matching in a proper way. So I think I should start. Okay, 2314 2314 2314. Well, yeah, it was right. Quark. Then fractional spin is positron. Yeah, positron is fractional spin, and integral spin. Yeah, option 1 is correct. Option A is correct because neutrino has a 0 mass. Neutrino has a 0 mass, and quark has a fractional charge, and uh, positron has a fractional spin. Okay, and the integral has a spin. Means there is some misprint is there, but option A is correct. Well, we should move to the next question. Which of the following, which one is the fundamental particle? As we have discussed, which one is the fundamental particle? Options are neutron, proton, as meson, and quark. So in the previous question, as I told you, that quark, it was asked in the ROARO mains 2017, that quark is a fundamental particle. Quark is a fundamental particle. Well, we should move to the next question. Higgs boson are also known as, Higgs boson are also known as option A electron, option B proton, option C neutron, and option D is God particle. So for your kind information, that Higgs boson, Higgs boson particles are also known as God particle, and this name was given in 2013. I don't know the exact name of that scientist. Higgs boson are known as the God particle. Jharkhand notice that it was also asked in the Jharkhand pieces. That is why it's misspent. God particle is also known as the Higgs boson. God particles are also known as Higgs boson. So correct option is option D. Well, next question is much discussed God particle is. Much discussed God particle is. Options are A neutrino, B lepton, C Higgs boson, and option D meson. As I told you, that God particle is known as Higgs boson. God particle is known as Higgs boson, and that boson is relating to the Indian history. So, Satyendranath Bose. There is an Indian scientist, Satyendranath Bose. Satyendranath Bose, who have worked Satyendranath Bose. So I think it's an Indian name, Bose, and this name was given in the, you can say, memory, or you can say in the honor of our Indian scientist Boson. Well, we should move to the next question. Our next question is God particle is, again, that because it's an important, so every time this question is going to be repeated, that God particle is option A neutrino, option B Higgs boson, option C meson, option C positron, option D none of those or more than the above. It was asked 2 times in BPSC. So option A, option B, as I told you, God particle is Higgs boson particle. Well, so we should move to the next question. Our next question is the effort to detect the existence of Higgs boson particle. Because fonts are short, so please be attentive. The effort, yeah, the effort to detect the existence of Higgs boson particle have frequent news in the recent past. What is are the importance of discovering this particle? Means what could be the consequences, or what could be the benefits of discovering the God particles? So option A is it will help us to understand as to way elementary particles have mass. It could be right. Option B, it will enable us to it will enable us in the near future to develop the technology to transfer matter from one point to another point without transferring the physical space between them. Option C, it will enable us to create better fuel for nuclear fission. This is the fission, nuclear fission. Select the correct answer. Okay, well, select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, only one. Option B, only two and three. Option C, only one and three is three. And option D, all one to three are correct. Please be attentive to this question and try to attend this question. Be fast. I am still waiting for your answers. Yeah, please try to answer these questions. Well, in this question, because it was asking 230, in this question, these questions are related to the current affairs. Because as I in the previous question, as I told you, that the name was in the news in 2013. That is why it was in news. So uh, it will help us to understand as the way elementary particles have mass. Yeah, it's correct, because uh, Higgs boson particle, or you can say God particle, it will help us. It will help us to understand the chemistry of particles and why they have mass. So option one is correct. Option B, it will enable us to near future to develop the technology to transfer matter from one point to another point. No, it's impossible to transfer one particle, one's energy from one place to another place, or one state to another state. It's impossible this time. So it's wrong. It will enable us to create fuel for nuclear fission. No, that's not possible, because nuclear fission have also huge energy. So it is not necessary to create, it is not necessary, or you can say it is not easy to create fuel from these particles. So because these are just like the light particles, so only option one is correct, all of these are wrong. So we should move to the next question. Our next question is which particle is free of charge? Means which particle have no charge? Option A, alpha particle. Option B, electron. Option C, neutron. Option D, proton. And option D, none of the above or more than two. Which of the following is free of charge? Means which of the following has no charge? As in the previous question we have discussed that neutron has no charge. Neutron has no charge. So option C is correct, that neutron has no charge. We should move to the next question. Which of the following particle has zero charge? Same question is also repeating in the pieces. Oh, well, 2021. Well, which of the following particle has zero charge? Option A, positron. Option B, neutrino. Option C, electron. And option D, alpha particle. Please be attentive and try to and try to attempt this question. Which of the following particle has zero charge? Zero charge. Please answer this question. Yeah, and anyone who is live, then please be attentive to understand these question and try to, if you are there, then try to answer this question. Yeah, this is necessary. As I have told you, this is necessary, and please try to answer this question. So, which of the following particle has zero charge? As we have discussed in the previous question, that neutron. Neutron has free of charge, means neutron has zero charge. As the same, its subatomic particle is neutrino, so it has also zero charge. It has also zero charge. So option B is correct, because positron has positively charged particle, electron is negatively charged particle, and alpha particle have +2 charge. So only option C is correct. So we should move to the next question. This is the alpha particle carries two positive charges. Its mass is very nearly equal to the its mass is very nearly equal to the, in the previous question, as I told you about the alpha particle. Alpha particle is very nearly to the helium particle, which have 2 He per 4. Alpha particle is very nearly to the helium particle, with, and the symbol is 2 He per 4. Now you can understand that how many neutrons and protons are there. This is called atomic number. This is called atomic number, and this is called atomic mass. This is called atomic mass, and atomic mass is, we can denote atomic mass as E, and E equals to Z plus N. E equals to Z plus N means atomic mass. Atomic mass is equal to the number of, this is the number of proton. Number of proton. So atomic mass is equal to the number of proton plus number of neutron, and N is neutron. So now you can understand. So the alpha particle carries two positively charged particle, two positive charge here. Its mass is very equal to the two protons. Okay, yeah, two protons. Option B, nucleus of an atom of helium. As I told you that the correct answer is nucleus of an atom of helium. Option C, sum of the mass of two positron and two neutrinos, because neutrons have no charge. So this option is incorrect. Two positron, as each positron carries a single positive charge. This is also correct. This is also incorrect. Getting a point? Because nucleus is an atom of helium. The nucleus is an atom of helium. Alpha particle, as I've told you, alpha particle is equal to the nucleus of helium, because it has two positively charged particles. Two positively charged. Okay. So our next question is, the nucleus of helium is, as I told you, the nucleus of helium has only one neutron. This is incorrect. Only two protons. Option C, two protons and two neutrons. This is correct. And everyone is incorrect, because as I told you in the previous question, so it has, means when A is 4, means it has 2 plus 2, means it has two proton and two neutron. So option C, two proton and two neutron is correct. So our next question is, which of the following element does not contain neutrons? Which of the following elements doesn't have neutrons? Options are oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C hydrogen, and option D copper, and option E none of the above, or more than one of the above. Okay, and it was asked in the 64th BPSC. Well, which of the following element doesn't contain neutrons, means which don't have any neutrons. So when we move to the atomic number and atomic symbols of these, so oxygen atomic number is 8, atomic mass is 16. means it has 8 neutrons. It has 8 neutrons. Now you can say, so how you know? The formula is A equals to Z plus N. A equal to Z plus N means this value is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. So nitrogen, it has N 7, 14 means it has number of neutron are 14 minus 7 equals to 7. So it has 7 neutrons. Well, which of following elements doesn't have content? When you talk about the hydrogen, the symbol of hydrogen is 1H1. 1H1 means 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Then you can say hydrogen has 0 neutron. Hydrogen has 0 neutron. If the isotope of hydrogen, deuterium 1s2 is there, deuterium 1s2 is there, and if question was asked that how many neutrons are there, then you can say, sir, 2 minus 1 equals to 1 neutron is there. But in our question, the element is hydrogen, so answer is 0. So that is the option C. Our next question is, which of the following carries a negative charge? Well, this question is very easy to you. Which of the following carries a negative charge? X-rays, okay. Alpha particle, no. Beta particle, gamma rays. This is the 45th BPSC question. So correct answer is beta particle, because beta particle is just like the electrons. These are similar to electrons. These are similar to electrons. So now you can say, sir, that the electron is a negatively charged particle. Sorry, that beta is just equal to the negatively charged particle. So our next question is, in an atom, the order of filling, this is the filling, the order of filling up the orbital is governed by. So it was governed by Aufbau principle. It was governed by Aufbau principle. I think you have discovered, you have understand Aufbau principle, not Aufbau. This is Aufbau principle, which it has the rule that firstly 1s, 1s, 2s, 3s, then 2p, 3p. This is the core chemistry. So you have to only learn these things, that on the basis of Aufbau principle, in the orbital is governed. Okay. So our next question is, in an atom, the order of filling up, the same question is there. The number of electrons and neutrons in an element is 18 and 20. Its mass is, well, the question is, the number of electrons and neutrons. The number of electrons and neutrons in an element is 18 and 20. So its mass is, 38. Yeah. Now you can say, so how you can say, because atomic mass A equal to Z plus N. Atomic mass A equal to Z plus N. Now you can say, sir, Z is neutron, sorry, Z is proton, Z is proton, and N is neutron. And in this question, there is no proton, then how you can say? But for a kind information, there's that proton is equal to the number of electrons. Number of electrons. Then you can say that the number of electrons is equal to the number of proton, and atomic mass is equal to the number of proton plus number of neutron. So the option is 18 plus 20 equals to 38. Option C is correct. So let's move to the next question. Which what is the mass number of an element, the atom of which contains 2 proton, 2 neutron, and 2 electron? The same question is there. Answer should be 4, because what is the mass of A equals to Z plus N? A equals to Z plus N, whereas we have to find the A. Z equal to the number of element has atom in which contains 2 proton, means 2 and 2 neutrons, and 2 electron. So there is no need of electron, means 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So option B is correct. So let's move to the next question. The number of neutron in a nucleus of plutonium nuclei. Yeah, the symbol is correct. There is a typing error. The symbol should be plutonium, that is the 94 and 242. Means we have to find the number of neutrons. So we have to find the number of neutrons. Formula is there, that A equal to Z plus N, because we have to find the N, then N equals to A minus Z. Then you can say 242 minus 94. So answer is 12, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah, answer is 148. Just go and minus it, then you will find the answer. Next question is, the atom in which the number of proton is same but the number of neutron is different. As I told you, the atom in which number of proton is same, the atoms which have number of protons are same are known as isotopes. In the case of hydrogen, as I will discuss. So the correct answer is isotopes. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Isotopes are those atoms in which atoms of the same element which have same atomic number, and no, this is incorrect. The atomic number is different, but yeah, option B is correct, that they have their atomic mass is different but atomic number is same. This is the isotope. So the next question is, isotopes is that nuclei of an atom nucleus in which, same question is there, that the number of proton is same but neutron is different. So isotopes are those atoms which have same number of protons and different number of neutrons are there, means which have the same number of same atomic number but different atomic masses. So this chapter is, I think this is it was the last question of our series, and I hope you will like this series. Then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we will try to continue this series if you will subscribe and like to our channel, and I hope you will like this series. So this, it was the first video of this series. Then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Vande Mataram.